Greetings! Today is March 29th, 2019, and I'm really excited because I have ordered what is called a micro lotus. Now my order isn't here yet, but I'm getting ready for it. So I got this potting mix today at my local pond store and landscaping store. Okay, the lotus finally came today. I ordered it from Bergen Water Gardens, and I'm really excited to unbox this. I also got these pond tabs fertilizer. They come in a little cylinder like this, but I'm going to use a quarter strength. So I cut one in half and then I cut it again for a quarter. Okay, so this is how it came shipped. This is really cool packaging. Okay, so the bubble wrap is just on top. There it is. And I get a tab or a tag that's really nice. It's called First Fall Lotus. Okay, let's get this guy potted up. That is pretty cool. So after finding out that my original pot that I was going to use was too small, I had to go out and get another one. I was using this one that's about 5 inches tall, and it was just too small. The tuber wouldn't fit in there, as you'll see. So I got this one, which is about 9 inches on the inside diameter. And then, as far as depth, it's about just over 9 inches as well. I added the soil and some distilled water. I'm gonna let it settle out before we put the root in there. So hopefully this will work out better. Unfortunately, having a 9-inch tall pot kind of, I think, defeats the purpose of having it be a micro lotus. And I couldn't find any plastic bowls that were wide and shallower, unfortunately. So I'm going to have to go with these tall red ones. And here we have the First Fall Lotus. This time it's going to fit. I'm just going to put it in there into the soil gently. I'm not going to force it down. Now I'm gonna fill it up. Okay, let that settle up and then we'll put it outside in the sun. It's now April 2nd, and my miniature lotus has been out here for about 2 days. I'm not happy with that aquascape soil that I got because it hasn't settled, and it's rained and it still hasn't been pushed down. I thought about doing a water change, but after the plant's been shipped and gone through all this stress, I don't want to disturb it anymore. And there is a growth point. You can barely see it right there. It's just coming up. So we'll see what happens. Maybe the rain will flush out the stuff that's floating and it'll be okay. I might do a water change later. But it seems to be doing well. Just wish the water was clearer. And then I found this bowl for 88 cents at Walmart in the home section. And I noticed, I'm just like, hey, that could work as a plant bowl. So I love the color. And I got the little moss balls are in there. I got these at Petco, picked them up on an impulse. I went there looking for the nymphoides miniature water lilies that I used to have. Fortunately, I lost them a few years ago. And I found these, the shrimp buddies. There were 6 moss balls in there, so I picked that up. And then the water lily bulbs, I misread it. This is actually Nymphaea species, which might get big I don't know. I thought it was nymphoides. So we'll see what happens. And it's floating at the top. Even with the rocks, I can't get it to go in. And then there's another tuber, that rock-looking thing that's big. It's staying down. So we'll see if these sprout, if they turn into water lilies. So this is my start to lotuses and water lilies.